Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome tonight. Let's all say goodbye to our kids, Lovely and Sunshine. Okay, kids, our kids are ready for the sports games. Let's everyone. Hello, kids. Alright, let's go. Let's follow the legend of the book and let's wait for our introduction. Hi, kids. Hi, everyone. Ready? Hi. Okay, let's go. Mga kaibigan natin sa dance. Samahan nyo kami. Mag-dance tayo. Alright.
Abi, dito lang.
Ang dami nating kids. Hi, Abby. Hi. Ang dami na natin kids sa akin. Kids, sabayan nyo kami. Magdadance tayo ng ating trending TikTok dance na Bruninho, guys. Okay? We're ready? Alright. Let's wait. Let's everybody. Okay, excited now, kids. Let's go, kids. Let's go, mga behind natin dyan. And let's go to the event area. Okay, are you ready for started, kids? Let's go. Everybody there. Okay, kids. Let's go. Let's follow the natin dyan natin. Come on, kids. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go, everybody. Let's go, let's go. One, and two.
Hi.
Alright, let's go. Hello kids, hi mommies and daddies, encourage our kids to come and join us. Let's have fun with Lala Chan. Hi. How about here at the counter area? Hello mommies and daddies, hi kids. Lala Chan is now ready for the sports game. Let's go everyone. That's what I'm here at the area. Hello kids. Lala Chan is now inviting us to come and join. Let's have fun this afternoon. Alright. Ang dami natin sa Lala Chan. Hi kids. Let's go, Lala Chan is so excited to come and play with you this afternoon. Kaya naman dito tayo lahat. Everybody jump, jump, jump! Jump, jump, jump! Okay, we are now giving you another chance, kids, out of the area, five-corner area, and Marikini area. Okay, please look over here in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now simple reminder to all the guardians. Mami, dito na lang po tayo sa harap para pa mas maganda ang video po natin. And kids, and maximize po nila ang ating space. Alright, once again, Mami and Sir, dito na lang po tayo. Sa harap na lang po tayo. Thank you so much. Ayan. Hi kids! Hi! Alright, nag-i-enjoy pa kayo dito sa Kitsuna? Sino nag-i-enjoy ito sa kamay? Lahat. Okay, are you excited to meet Lala Chan and to meet her? Let's go. Now, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Mahihingin muna kami sa inyo. Mahingin muna ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Very nice. Alright, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Kuya Edwin. I will be your host for today. I'm with Ate Laika and Ate Ed. Hi, kids. Now let me introduce our star all the way from Japan, the one and only Lala Chan. Excited na talaga si Lala Chan. Ano po yung Lala Chan? Kids, may binulong sa akin si Lala Chan. Sino daw po mahilig mag-dance? Raise your hands, come on kids. Yan lahat. Okay, don't worry boys. Andito si Kuya, magda-dance tayo kasama si Lala Chan. Now, tuturuan tayo ni Lala Chan ang ating warm-up dance. Kids, are you ready to listen? Yes. Okay, so what's the first step, Lala Chan? Clap your hands up, kids. Clap your hands up, up, down, and down. One more time. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. How about the next one natin, Lala Chan? Stomp your feet on the right. 1, 2. Alright, are you ready? Hindi po natin naririnig. One more time, are you ready? And that's it. We're ready at the end. Everybody go. Let's go. Everyone. Come on, kids, energy. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Swing your arm. Grab everybody. One more time. Okay, let's go. Okay, everybody say hooray! Oh, yeah, very good naman. Now, everybody sit down. Let's sit down. Okay, nahihina tayo. So let's take a breath. Everyone inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Okay, are you excited, Lalachan? So at this afternoon, we will have a sports games. Does any one of you have idea what the sports games? Ano po yan? Tag of war. Okay, so now we have the materials needed for our tag of war. So, kids, may hawak si Kuya dito na hawak ni Kuya. Flag. Kapag naka-raise po ang flag ni Kuya, wala po muna tayo. Ihila ng road. Raise your hands lang. Patingin na po ng raise your hands. Ayan, very good naman din si Lalachan. Now this time, makikinig, manunood muna ng maayos kila Kuya at Ate. Ito-demo muna natin sa inyo. Alright? Sino ready makinig? Siyempre lahat. Medyo ingin na si Kuya Lalachan, sorry. Okay, so in this game, we have two teams. Team A, Ate Eds, and Team B, Ate Laika. Okay, anong team ni Ate? Anong team ni Ate? Very good. So, let's start in 3, 2, 1, pull the rope as hard as you can. Alright, and after 15 seconds, kanina po napunta yung tag natin. Kay Team B. So in this game, all you have to do is to get 2 points para manalo. Okay, sino gusto manalo? Siyempre lahat. Okay, ano yung Lalachan? Yes, may sinabi pa sa akin si Lalachan. Sino gusto mag-enjoy? Of course, lahat. Para mag-enjoy tayo, let's follow our safety reminders. Lalachan? Ano ang ginagawa ni Lalachan, kids? No? No jumping. Very good. And next natin, Lalachan. Ano po yun, no? No pushing. Very good. And next natin, Lalachan. Ano yan? Pulling or pull the rope carefully. Hold the rope firmly. And last and the most important is enjoy the rest of the game. Everybody stand up. Let's divide you into 2 teams. Come on, kids. Group yourselves into 2 teams. Okay, let's count in 10 seconds. Kids, find your teammates in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sabi nila, let's kids are forward, the arms forward. Excited na si ate, oh. Excited na talaga siya. Okay, dito tayo na siya sa ating right side. Ayan, thank you so much, Mami. Hi! Anong team natin? Okay, Team A. So may sinabi sila at siya, meron tayong isisigaw. Ano yan, Ate Heads? Go, Team A! Very good. Merong energy. How about here at the team behind? Okay, syempre meron tayong sisigaw. Ano yung ate? Grabing energy ni Kuya. Ang taas. Okay. Kids, are you ready? Everyone, doon tayo sa aircraft area. Once again, don't forget the safety reminders. No pushing, no jumping, just enjoy the game. Alright, let's go. That's it. Let's go, team A, team B, come on. Go, team A. Go, team B. Let's go. Well, mommies and daddies, parents and guardians, you can come here to support your kids while they are playing. Para naman po mas ginahan sila. Come on kids, come on. Team A, pushing tayo on the right, on the left side. Doon tayo, dali. Come on, natin tayo. Once again, don't forget the safety reminders, kids. Raise your hands muna tayo, raise your hands. And come closer, please. Come closer. Come closer, team A. Very good. Raise your hands, muna, raise your hands. Raise your hands, kids. Raise your hands. Team B, are you ready? How about the team A? Are you ready? Mommies and daddies, are you ready? Everybody, hold the rope. Hold the rope, it's three. Team A, hold the rope. Hold in 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, go, team B, go! 5, 15, 14, 13, 12, 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 15, 14, 13, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Vicky, are you now ready? Once again, are you now ready? You ready now? What you do? Let's see everybody hold it up in 3, 2, 1, go! Grabe naman ito sa mga pinagi. One point. Team A. Let's have a last one. Are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Okay, everybody. This is the last one. Now hold the rope. In 3. Oh, wait. Atas mo. Okay, so let's go. Grabe yung lakas naman binigay ng teammate natin. Okay, teammate. Bibigyan natin sila ng 3 gloves and a good job dahil ready to serve din naman. Okay? Everybody ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Good job. Okay, let's kids. Let's go again. Come on. Let's forward our ball again. And up to your knees. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, team 18, let's go. We are not yet done, so we're just getting started pala. Okay, let's go back here. Stand up, guys, stand up. And raise your hands. Come on, team 8, come on, team B. Okay, come on, team B, come on. Raise your hands, kids. Shake your hands. Okay, ano po yung lahat dyan? Kids, may sinabi sa akin sila lahat dyan. Who wants a surprise? Lahat naman tayo. Now we have to grant her special request. You want to dance with you her favorite dance. Are you ready to dance again? Yes, I like the energy. Kayahin natin sila lahat dyan. At the edge, you're ready. Now hold your hands up high. Shake your hands. Hands up again. Now, let's get ready to jump, everybody. Let's go. Look your hands. March. Look your hands. Jump and jump. All right. Nice eyes, close eyes. Nice eyes. Help your shoulder. Help your head. Let's jump, everybody. Wave your hands. Circles. Yes. Everybody march. Let's jump. Wave your hands. Like this. Wave your body. Cross your arm. Let's turn around. Let's go, let's go, everybody. Your head. March. Jump and jump. Everybody say hooray! I love it. Okay, sit down tayo, sit down. Andito na po yung gift nila agad dyan. Okay, before we open the box, let's take a breath muna. Everybody inhale. Exhale. One more time, inhale. Exhale. Alright. Nakahinga na ba tayo? Are you excited to open the box? Ay, papagkakabalala dyan? Kids, sino natin sila lahat dyan? Cover your eyes now po. And we have to shout the magic word na open! Marinig daw po kami nila lahat dyan? Okay, let's have a practice. Everybody cover your eyes. In 3, 2, 1. One more time, babalala dyan. Isa pa daw, kids. Mas malakas, mas maganda. Everybody, 3, 2, 1. Take it out. Okay, be careful. Okay, now mommies and daddies, it's time for the group picture. Please proceed on the front foot to take pictures of your kids with Lala Chan here. Okay, to all those kids na may hawak ng balloons, sit down na muna tayo. Sit down muna tayo, sit down. Okay, kids, sit down na tayo, sit down. Let's have a group picture now with Lala Chan once again. Mommies and daddies, you can proceed po on the front. Okay, kids, hi! Napakawala na ng bonus natin dyan. This time, let's do the Kijuna hooray. When I say Kijuna, everyone stop, hooray! Okay, let's have a trial. In 3, 2, 1, Kijuna. Okay, mas malakas this time. 3, 2, 1, Kijuna. For the last time, give your biggest hand, happiest smile. In 3, 2, 1, Kijuna. Very good naman. That's the energy you are looking for. Now, please, sit down muna tayo lahat. May sasabihin pa yata si Lalit siya. Kami Lalit siya. Ayan, meron pa daw po sa akin ni Lalit siya. Ano yung Lalit siya? Okay. Sino daw po pala ang nag-celebrate ng birthday ngayon? Meron po ba? Meron? Hindi tayo kuya. Okay. What's your name, kuya? Ano pangalan? Ano pangalan po? Ernie? Ilan taon na si Kuya Ernie? Ilan taon? Okay. Kids, we have a playmate na nag-celebrate ng birthday ngayon. Now, we will sing him a happy birthday song. Now, while singing, wave your balloons para naman mas maganda yung pagkakanta natin, okay? Lapit kayo. Alat yan, kuya. Okay, kids, while singing, wave your balloons. Wave your balloons. Yeah, get ready to sing, everybody. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Wave your balloons. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's do it one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, clap your hands naman tayo dyan. Yes? Ano sasabihin ko, Ernie? Yeah, thank you so much for celebrating your birthday here at Kijuna. Okay, isa pa, may tatanong pa si Lalat siya. How about the birthday party here? Sino gusto raise your balloons? Ayan, lahat naman pala. Okay, Lalat siya. Let's invite mommies and daddies. Mommies and daddies, good afternoon po. Good day. Kijuna SM City Diaspora is now open for a birthday party reservations. If you are interested, please do inquire on counter area and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you so much. Kids, balik mo na tayo. We're not yet done. We're not yet done, kids. Come on. Ayan, may sasabihin ko na po si Lalat siya. Ano yung Lalat siya? Ano yung Lalat siya? Kids, okay, malapit na tayo. Sit down muna tayo, sit down. Sit down na muna tayo. Ayan. Okay, sino nag-enjoy? Siyempre lahat. But now it's time to say goodbye to Lalat Chan because she's now going back to Japan. In 3, 2, 1, everybody! Bye-bye, Lalat Chan! Now, thank you so much for joining with us. I hope you enjoyed playing with Lalat Chan. You can now enjoy the rest of your time here at Kijuna. Bye-bye! And for those who want a solo picture po, available si Lalat Chan po. Dito na lang tayo sa gitna. Thank you so much po!